In this video, I am going to show you how to create MySQL database in Hostinger and how to access MySQL database in Hostinger. So let's see how we can do it. So to create a MySQL database in Hostinger, at first you need to log into your Hostinger Hpanel. And now from the Hostinger Hpanel, we are going to scroll down and here you will see a web hosting section and under it you will see your current web hosting plan. So next to it, we will see a manage button. So we are going to click on manage from here. So right now we are in the dashboard of our Hostinger hosting. So at first we need to select our website name or domain name. So we are going to do it from here. So we are going to click on this drop down and then select our website name. But if you have only one domain, then it will be already selected. So now to create our MySQL database, from the left menu, we are going to click on databases and here we have three options: management, PHPMyAdmin and Remote MySQL. We are going to select management from here and here you will see the list of MySQL databases and users that are already added to your hosting. So to create a new database, we are going to scroll up and from here we can easily create our new database. So at first we need to add the name of our MySQL database. So we are going to add it here. After that, we are going to add our MySQL username. And then we need to add a password for our MySQL database. So we are going to add it here. You can also use this password generation tool, which will generate a unique password for your database. But we will use our own password, and after that we are going to click on create, and as you can see that we have successfully created our MySQL database. So now if we scroll down, this is the database that we have just created. So there are multiple ways to use this database. The first one is using the PHPMyAdmin. So next to our database we will see our database user and the button to enter PHPMyAdmin. So we are going to click on this enter PHPMyAdmin button and it will take us to the PHPMyAdmin. So this is how you can create a database on Hostinger and access PHPMyAdmin. And now if you want to use this database for third-party tools, then you can go back to the database management. Let's say you want to use this database remotely from any other server. So to do this, at first we need to enable the Remote MySQL. So we are going to click on this Remote MySQL option. And now you need to add any specific IP of your server. Then you need to choose the database and then click on create. And in this way, remote database connection will be created and you can easily use this database with another server. If you do not have any specific IP, then you can select any host from here, select your database and then click on create. So in this way, any host will be able to access this database, but it is unsafe. So I will recommend you to go with the first option, which is using the specific IP. Let's say you want to use this database with WordPress. So to do this, we need to install WordPress. So we are going to click on website and then click on auto installer. After that, we are going to select WordPress. So at first we need to add our WordPress website title. Then we need to add a administrator email address for our WordPress website. So we are going to add our email here. Then we need to add our administrator username. After that, we are going to add our administrator password. And once you are done with this step, just click on advanced from here. And after that, here you will see an option, choose a database. So we are going to select the database that we have just created. So as you can see that our database is now selected. After that, we need to add our database password and then we are going to click on next, and in this way WordPress will be installed using this database. So this is how you can create MySQL database in Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.